The custodial fund, let's talk about that a little bit. So this maintains monies held for others meant to be dispersed later on. Tax collection funds. If the local county collects tax money for the state, well, that money is not belonging to the county. It's being held for another entity, so it's going to be in the custodial fund. You're holding it for another governmental entity. Clearance funds and special assessments. These are other examples, but really I'd say best examples. If you've got a federal government giving money to the state to distribute to the county to give to the people, that is all going to be in custodial funds because the end user is the people, and it's not the money of the state or the county or the town or whichever level that the federal government gives it to. So those funds are all going to be held in the custodial fund. Fiduciary revenues in the custodial fund. So a government may report a single aggregated total for additions which resources are expected to be held for 3 months or less. The description should define property taxes collected for other governments. There's not really revenues for the custodial fund, right? So when we say revenues for all these fiduciary funds, we use it with like air quotes because is this really revenue? It's more the inflows and what's treated as revenue. Similarly, expenses for it, literally, I have that one word here. So just any deductions, which resources are expected to be held for 3 months or less. This is just going to be, other expenses related to the custodial fund.